All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. So today I'm back out here in the city of Henderson, master plan community of Cadence. We're gonna be taking a look at this townhome by Richmont American Homes. The name of this neighborhood is Bel Canto. I don't know how you pronounce this, so I do apologize. Now these are actually townhomes that we have toured. Now I have not had a chance to tour this Sandalwood, so we're going to take a look at this one. This one is actually a two-car garage. As you can see, we have the sound barrier wall right here. This right here is a sales office, but it is a two-car garage. Now this home right here features 2,010 square feet. It is a two-story home, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths with a 2-car garage. It does come with a cover entry right here, but we're gonna make our way back around this way here. Also, I want to mention it's a little bit hot today. It's about 106 degrees. You definitely feel the humidity here in Las Vegas. HOAs are gonna run about what is that, $90 a month, and that also includes the master plan fee of Cadence. Cadence, you got like pickleball, there's parks. I think there's like a pool too. I think maybe there's 2 pools, but anyway, let me come on inside because it is a little bit hot here. Let's get some of this AC going. As you can see, this is a complete open floor plan, which is nice and gorgeous. Okay, the base price on here, okay, which is the starting price. Base price is $416,950,000. So let's go back to the front here. One thing I noticed, we've got 8-foot doors, 9-foot ceilings that really come standard with this floor plan. We have orange peel texture. We also got the bull nose here. So this right here, we have our powder half bath. Keep in mind, you're going to get this pedestal sink. You're not going to get this 36-inch full overlay white cabinets with this nice quartz countertops, undermounted sink, and a Delta brush gold fixture here. And also the fixture up here. Okay. There was tons of upgrades that was done as far as the modern handles here, and also this solid 2-panel door. We got, what is this, storage right here as well. Here's your coat closet. However, we do have some standard baseboards. These are tile that's ran linear with the island. However, one thing I've noticed is the toe kicks underneath here. Looks like the toe kicks have not been finished off. So just something to keep in mind when you are going through your build. Now let's take a look at the island itself. So we have a 4 by a 9-foot island, or actually a 10-foot island it looks like. Beautiful countertops, hard surface countertops. On this one right here, it looks like there was an extension on the cabinet itself. Okay, this is a 24-inch cabinet, depth, equipped with the undermounted sink, and again with your brushed gold faucet. And it looks like they upgraded on the soap dispenser. On this one right here, they have the lowest grade of GE packaged appliance. This is going to be more of a apartment grade, I would say. You have the MDFs, side staples with the side glides. Now these are actually full overlay cabinets, okay? They upgraded on the 3 pendant lighting here, so they run about 150 to 175 a piece, just depending on the builders. What you get is the maple cabinets here. On these ones, 42 uppers with some nice hand pulls as well. Beautiful backsplash. On this one, we have the chevron pattern with the black Schluters. And this is the gourmet 36-inch with the 5-burner here, as you can see, GE. And then we have our exhaust hood. Not bad. Now, I walked all these models and I've noticed one thing, okay? The drywall, the seams are cracking on all of them. Doesn't mean it's a bad build. However, that definitely needs to be sanded down, retextured, okay? Here it looks like we have the skins on the side of the cabinetry here for the refrigerator. That's going to be an extra cost if you're going to go with that custom look. I mean, not bad. Down this way we have the 2-car garage, but it is the sales office, so we're not going to go in there. Oh, pantry. Oh, I'm feeling the pantry, man. Pretty decent size for a home like this. Yeah, liking the pantry. Let's take a look at the main living area. One thing that I've noticed is we got the distribute sounds throughout. Okay, make sure to get your subwoofers too as well. There's that coax cable right there. You can place it anywhere you want. However, they're putting the coax cable right there for the subwoofer. We have our thermostat, and again, we have another seam here that's starting to crack down here. Okay. We got an 8x8 slide. These are just vinyl slides. They're not your top of the line slides. You have an option to do this exterior cover patio. You have some flat tile. These are concrete tile. Then we have our AC unit. This is a 14 SEER. However, it says it comes with a 16 SEER unit, but that one's 14. So something that I would definitely look into during the time of your build. All right, let's make our way upstairs. Let's see what we have here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15 before we hit a landing. Originally there was a pony wall here, but they did a nice banister. They opened this thing up. So we have 1, 2 loft, 3 bedrooms, laundry room here. However, you have an option to do a 4th bedroom, but I think on the resale value, I would probably do the loft here, just due to the fact that if not, it's gonna look very tight. So let's just start off on this side here. So we have the bathroom here. So this bathroom services these 2 bedrooms right here. So let's take a look. So as we come in, we've got carpet that transitions into tile. Again, 36 inches on the cabinets here, upgraded on the double sink. Tub shower combo. See if I can get this light on. Okay, the light is not working. Other than the fart fan here is. I'll just turn that off because it's annoying. 2 inches on the casings around the door. Let's take a look at the bedrooms here up in the front. Queen size bed. So it looks like we got 4 feet on each side. So I mean, it's a decent size room. It's not bad. Then we have our standard closet. Surprised they didn't paint these dowel rods here. One thing that you want to check is actually the back of these panels, because sometimes these panels are not painted. So it's definitely something I would look out for. Okay. This one, as you can see, we have the transfer grill. It's not a transfer duct. Coming into the 2nd bedroom. 4-can lighting. Okay. That is a package with this builder. Looks like our half hot is on this side here. We've got 4-can lighting with a ceiling fan. We're going to identify the rocker switch. Let's see exactly how they did this. Okay. On this one, as you can see, we have a 3 rocker switch, and then for the ceiling fan, which is kind of cool. Love these plantation shutters here. These are the newer plantation shutters, and I prefer this because the gearing mechanism is actually on the inside. You used to have like a dowel rod that you pulled up and down, but look at this. The gearing on here, right? See how it moves? The gearing's in here that controls all of this right here. Okay? Now this, because believe it or not, okay, Las Vegas gets so hot, make sure to flip these every once in a while. So that way, when they start to fade, it's a gradual fade, right? Because if you just leave it like this, on this side, eventually it just turns yellow and it just doesn't look great at all. Also, you want to check the lifetime of those. Now, they could get pretty pricey. So for a home like this, it's probably going to be around $12,000, okay, if you did all the windows. Here, we have the 4-can lighting, okay. And again, it looks like we have some seams that are cracking for the drywall, okay. Also, one thing I've noticed is that we have 2 different discoloration on the paint above the ceiling. That means what happens is sometimes when they roll the paint, one side could be 3 or 4 coats and the other side is only 3 coats, but this is something that I can already see and identify. So it's probably something that I would, have them do again. So you know how I talked about these seams right here that are cracking? This is the problem with the seams that cracks. Okay, so we have another one right here, but if you look really good, they came back and they tried to patch it as far as taking texture, retexturing it, but it doesn't match. So on this one, you really got to sand down, and from the line itself, once you sand it down, you got to sand it out a little bit more and retexture it, and you got to know how to blend it. Believe it or not, it's like a work of art. So you got to find somebody that really knows how to do it. Because when you start painting it a different color other than a white, it's going to show immediately. Very large laundry room, so I'm very happy with this. One thing I would change is get rid of this. I would probably do a 4-foot LED light, so that way you can get this thing nice and bright and you can see what's going on, because it's such a soft white that it's very hard to see. 36 inches on the cabinets here, okay? Actually, those are only 32s. You do have that drain pan, which is really nice, okay? Let's take a look at this primary, what this primary has to offer. So we have a king size bed. It looks like we have probably about 4 or 5 foot span on each side. And this one right here looks to the back, and then we can see the gorgeous, fabulous Las Vegas Strip, okay? We're probably a good 20 minutes to Harry Reid International. Okay, if you were going to drive from here to Mandalay Bay, you're probably looking at about 25 minutes, okay, depending on traffic. On this one, looks like they did the distribute sounds. Now, when you do the distribute sounds, right, you can control them a couple ways. There's a system I like to use, which is Crusher-On. Crusher-On allows you to control each individual speaker, okay, throughout the house. So you may want one type of music playing in your room. You also have an option for your dining room or your living room and the volume as well. Everything is controlled through an app, which is really nice. Nine-foot ceilings on the second floor. Coming into the primary bath, as you can see, carpet transitions to 12 by 24 tile, and it runs the same direction as your vanity. Looks like they upgraded on the cabinets as well. This is a closet. Closets are stock and standard. Let's take a look at this water closet. What's nice about this water closet, we do have a window here, just in case if you're stinking that day, okay? Let's flip this thing around. On this one, we have a walk-in shower. You have some nice cladding with the tile here, some black Schluters. Not bad. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video home tour. Also, I want to mention again, if you are an aspiring real estate agent or want to become a real estate agent, or if you just got your license, or if you had your license for some time but your business is not doing as good as it should be, okay, we have a course, 6-figure agent. Course is designed to help, okay, new agents that are doing deals, right, but can't just hit the 6-figure or even the 7-figure and learn how to run a business, right? We can help you with that. Okay, we can show you exactly how to grow with our 6-figure agent course. I will have a link in the description below. Also, if you guys are interested in purchasing a home, okay, it is very crucial that you contact us because we want to help you build out your next home, because there's a way to build it out to do an add value. What I mean by add value is there's certain things that you can do based upon today's current market trends and style that you should be building for the near future, so that way when you decide to sell, okay, you're gonna get top dollar for your home. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. I really wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.